All right, I do apologize. It is raining, but I will get a cold start video here. I do keep the car under a cover. I do not have a garage space, but this is a all-weather cover. Keeps the car nice and safe while it's raining. Just take this off here. It's been pouring down rain here recently. I'm not sure if you guys have gotten much rain where you guys are. Is over there. It's a neutral. And there it is, a cold start. See, it is very, very cold at the moment. Just let it run, the fluid cycle. No issues on the cold start at all. I mean, this thing purrs like a kitten. I feel old saying that. There you go. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thank you.